Best signature basketball shoes nga ba to ni Ja Morant? We are back again, broskies. It's me, Kyle Leves, and I review sneakers. 2 years na. Today, i-review natin ang pinakabagong basketball shoes ni Ja Morant, ang Nike Ja 3. For the looks, approve naman kay broski yung design na ginawa sa shoes na to. Pero broskies, you guys decide. Comment down below nga. For the traction, tinesting ko to outdoor dahil nga meron itong XDR outsole. Grabe, solid ang kapit. Sinubukan ko to sa labas ng Nike Fort mismo. Kung naghahanap ka ng indoor and outdoor basketball shoes, pasok to. Para sa cushion, ganitong cushioning setup yung hinahanap ko. Wala siyang Zoom Air pero ang highlight dito ay full-length Zoom X foam. Mamahaling technology to na usually pang running shoes lang. Magaan, responsive at may bounce. Para sa akin, ito rin yung may best cushioning setup sa signature line ni Ja Morant. For the fit, I went through to size. Snug siya pero for wide footers, try half size up. Break-in lang, mabilis lang din naman. Actually, kahit yung Ja 1 and Ja 2, ganito rin naman halos yung fit. Pero laging paalala ni broski, mas maigi na masukat mo ito sa personal. Para sa support, low cut man pero may good heel lockdown at side support, stable ang base, perfect for fast and shifty players. Overall, ito ang paborito kong basketball shoes ni Ja Morant ngayon. Meron siyang enough court feel at kung explosiveness ang hanap mo, sulit ang Ja 3 na may Zoom X foam. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng basketball shoes na pwede mong gamitin indoor and outdoor court, eto na yun. Again, broskies, it's me, Kyle Leves. If you have comments and suggestions, comment down below. Don't forget to like this video and follow me for more. Peace!